Class 7 students, this is your chapter number 7, an amazing ancestor. What is the meaning of an ancestor? Ancestor means our forefathers, like our grandfather, great grandfather, grandfather's father, and their fathers. So basically, the meaning of ancestor is our forefathers. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the ancestor of our QWERTY keyboard. As we all know that whenever we use our PCs, laptops, or mobile phones, we do have a QWERTY keyboard. Why is it known as a QWERTY keyboard? Because the sequence of the keys are QWERTY, and that is why it is known as a QWERTY keyboard. So now we are going to compare and read the comparison about the typewriter and a QWERTY keyboard. Let us talk about our amazing ancestor. In this chapter, definitely we are going to learn about the typewriters. Those were used in the past ancient days. Now, most of you might have not even seen it, but without the typewriter, there would be not no any computer as we know. Now the typewriter is considered as the ancestor of the personal computer, and as we all know that computers are the major part of our lives. We can ever wonder that life without proper things. Similarly, we also cannot compare our lives without the computer, and computers are also incomplete without the keyboards. And in the mobile phones, also, we are having the QWERTY keyboard. Even the touchscreen phones are also having the same thing. And now, over here, the placement of these letters was done in an odd way. If we talk about our alphabetical series, they are A, B, C, D like this, but the placement of the letters in the typewriter were QWERTY, QWERTY. Why? Because it was intentionally done to prevent the frequently struck keys from colliding, and that is why E was next to W and etc. As people became gradually, they became the faster typists. This was an important consideration, and this keyboard also became popular because it was the first manufactured keyboard. It was manufactured by Scholz and Glidden. Now, in the late 19th century, there were products with improvements. The first models appeared around the turn of the century, but as expected, they were not successful until 1930s when electricity was common. So, as we all know that these typewriters were also used during the time when there was no electricity. Then after that, electronic typewriters were invented. Now, the need and the speed and automation led to the further development of the typewriters. One of these enthusiasm was about Mark Twain, who wrote to his brother in 1875 about the use of the electronic typewriters. He wrote that machine has several virtues, means goodness, and he also said that he also believed that it printed faster than the human can write, and also it gave comfort to a person, so that it was possible for the person to lean back on his chair and work. And also it used to write many words on one page, and there was no blotting of the ink also, and it used to save the paper also. And although the electric typewriter took over, the manual typewriter was far from silent. And if we talk about the sounds made by the typewriters, if you have any ancestor or your great grandfather or father at your home, or even you can ask your parents about the sound that was made by the, it was a kind of a tit tat pat 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 kind of a sound whenever the typists used to do the computer typing. Now it was a kind of a memorable byproducts of the age. Then the age came to an end, and what was invented? The personal computer. And the electric became electronic, and the physical became digital. Nowadays we are living in which world? We are living in the digital world. And over here set of typewriter keys are pressed, but now it is recorded in bits and bytes. And at that time also, when the typewriter was used for typing, the pages were again and again they were inserted, and if there was any mistake, then again the stationery was wasted, and there was no proper record of it. You were not able to record anything on the typewriter. But with the invention of the PCs, we all know the we are very well familiar with all the advantages of the PC. Okay, and even now we can send the mail, and more recently even the keyboard on mobile phones have also become digital. So because we are all living in a digital world, and little did its inventors know where their keyboard will be found. As soon as the technology is developing, first it was only the personal computer, then it became laptop, then tabs, then phones, then touch screens, and gradually as the scientific technology is being developed, we never know what else can we find in the upcoming days. And what exactly has not changed? Basically, it is the ideal environment when trying to write something. Okay, we also need to type the words, either it is the typewriter or the PC, but what will remain are thoughts and minds. Okay, whether it is a typewriter or laptop. What is the main human challenge? The main human challenge is the same, it will not change: putting the thoughts into words for someone else to read, to create a good impact on the readers. And of course, without literacy, there would be no type, real or digital. The main thing is whether the main motive, whether it was a typewriter, it was an electronic typewriter, it was a PC, or it is a digital content. The things, the technology may develop, the technology may change, the gadgets, electronic gadgets could become more digital, and according to the use of human beings, no matter. But only thing that is not going to change is the words, the power of writing, the power of words.